So these transcendental subjects are emanating from transcendental position, transcendental atmosphere, that atmosphere which is beyond the mind, beyond intelligence, beyond any speculation. It is coming from Krishna. Golokera Premadana Harinama Sankirtana. So the holy name is coming from beyond the strata of material world. Hence it is said that transcendental subject will not be understood by academic people. Like nowadays, now particularly today, we are in a situation where we have to explain what we are doing. Is the world understanding what we are doing? They will never understand. You try to explain whichever way, they will not understand because their purpose of life is different. Their conclusion of life is different. Their understanding of life is different. Hence, as Gita says, what is day for them is night for a transcendentalist, and what is night for the transcendentalist is day for the material people. All that subject matter which is of interest for material people are of no interest for spiritualists. And all the subject matter which is of interest for spiritualists will never be of interest for materialists. So there's no point in convincing materialists. What does Krishna say in Gita? That verse where Krishna says, devotees sit and discuss Krishna Katha. Ramanti cha, bodhayanti cha. Bodhayanti parasparam. Kathayantasyama nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. My devotees sit together and discuss my stories. Krishna didn't say that devotees will sit with karmis and discuss. That is preaching. We may try to create interest in them, but our life's goal is not to keep creating interest in them. Our life's goal is in sitting together and creating interest in Krishna and ourselves. That is our work. As a sadhana, we go out and preach. As a representative of Prabhupada, representative of Krishna, representative of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we go out and preach. But we have to reach a position where we can do tushyanti cha ramanti cha. We should be able to get that transcendental bliss by speaking about Krishna and hearing about Krishna among ourselves. And for that, we have to be pure in our existence. Purity of existence, purity of consciousness and awareness, and purity of our pleasure-seeking nature. Because we are Satchit Ananda, spiritually, originally, constitutionally. A soul is full in himself because of this nature of Sat, Chit and Ananda. Sat means existentially he is pure. Chit, consciousness, awareness, attentiveness, he is full. Ananda, pleasure, he is enjoying the transcendental pleasure and is complete and satisfied. To reach that platform in our material life, we have to also be Satchit Ananda. How do we be Satchit Ananda in this material platform? How do we practice being Satchit Ananda? We practice being Satchit Ananda by purifying our existence, by purifying our attention, our knowledge seeking ability or intuition, and the kind of pleasure we get. So the material world, we only have material existence. A material existence is full of struggle for breathing, being peaceful, find some food, find some clothing, find some good shelter, fearless position. So this is material Sat. In material Sat, existence, I'm trying to exist. We have to purify our existence. We purify our existence by following sattvic existence. You can follow rajasic and tamasic existence. You can sleep in tamoguna, sleep in rajoguna, sleep in sattoguna. You can earn your living in tamoguna, in rajoguna, in sattoguna. So sattvic way of existence is Brahmanical existence. Sattvam tat Brahma Darshanam, because only in Sattva you can get a glimpse of Brahman. You can get a glimpse of transcendental existence. So, by purifying our Sat is pure, soul Sat is pure. But now that we are engrossed in this material body, we have to make this bodily and mental existence also pure. And that is done by sattvic practices. When we do sattvic practices, then we become qualified like the pure soul. Then taste is there in Krishna.